Today I'm making one of my new favorite weekday meals, tortellini with sausage and peppers. We made this recipe last week and it turned out delicious. Much better than expected, so I'm doing it again today. The ingredients are super simple. It's one bag, 19-ounce bag of frozen tortellini. I'm using some Polish sausage, 2 bell peppers, and an onion. I'm gonna cook this on my griddle, and this whole recipe comes together in about 15 minutes, so let's prep everything first. One little sausage, yeah? Oh, that's good. Everything is prepped and cut. I've got the peppers, onions, and the sausage. Let's go to the griddle. For this cook, I'm using my Weber slate griddle. So I'm gonna fire it up to kind of medium-high heat. All 3 burners. Hit it with a little bit of olive oil. And I'm gonna go with the peppers and onions on one side. And for the seasoning, I'm using my steak seasoning. So this has garlic, rosemary, really flavorful, an herby rub, which is amazing, and veggies. And I just kind of spread these guys out, toss them around a little bit. Telling you guys, this is a really simple recipe. When we made this for the first time, I was surprised on how good this thing came out, with how easy it was to make. And the kids loved it, we really liked it, so I gotta make it again because yeah, this is definitely a keeper that's going in the weekly rotation. And on this side of the griddle, I'm gonna add in my sausage, spread these out as well. You wanna get some nice color on these sausage pieces. After your sausage gets a little bit of color and your peppers and onions start to soften, mix the two together and give these a couple tosses, couple flips, and then move everything over to one side of the griddle and drop the temperature to low. Next, I'm gonna cook these frozen cheese tortellini. So this is a 19-ounce bag, and these are frozen, meaning they're already pre-cooked, and I'm gonna cook these guys on the griddle. So just stay with me here. This works surprisingly very well. So just open up the bag and drop these tortellinis right on the griddle. Okay, I'm gonna give this a squirt of water, and I'm gonna cover them up with this dome to keep all that steam and heat inside. Couple shakes. This will only take about 4 to 5 minutes, and the tortellini is going to be perfect. About 2 minutes in, whew, just want to give these guys a toss, flip them around a little bit, give it another squirt of water, and cover back up. Whew. All right, tortellini is looking good. So now I'm going to slide these guys over, and we'll mix them with the peppers and the onions and the sausage. Ooh, look at that. Drop the heat down to low on all the burners. And one last step before pulling this off is the Italian dressing. You're gonna pour in about a half a cup, 3/4 cup of Italian dressing right on our mix here. Oh yeah. Give it one last toss. That looks and smells ridiculous. It's just a couple ingredients, but this is so good. Check this out. That looks so good. Before we eat though, I'm gonna finish it off with some fresh parm. Oh yeah. Telling you guys, you have to try this recipe. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Let's try it out. Make sure you get a little bit of everything. Little tortellini, sausage, pepper. Wow. It's sausage, peppers, it's those classic flavors. You have the tortellini with the cheese inside and the tangy Italian dressing. I mean, it's simple and it is absolutely delicious. It's one of our new favorite weekday meals. Hit that subscribe button, give this one a try, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Wow.